Hi guys, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. Welcome to another episode of Options Your Questions Answered. In this episode, I would try and cover a few questions from some of the frequent visitors to our channel. The first question is by Manigandan K. Almost near day's high on Friday, I went long in Bank Nifty futures at 2300 and simultaneously sold two lots of 2500 call of June 18th at 450. My position ended at cost to cost at 3:30 pm and I am still holding it. Please advise. Mr. Manigandan, the position you initiated is known as short call synthetic straddle. It is a high risk direction neutral strategy that involves purchasing stock or future and selling calls to hedge the risk. For each lot of future or shares in a quantity equivalent to the lot size of the underlying we buy, we have to sell two at the money call contracts. That is, if you wish to initiate this strategy on Reliance, you need to purchase a future contract or 505 shares and sell two lots of at the money call contracts. The strategy is initiated when you expect range bound movement in the underlying in the time you are in the trade. You also need to make sure that there is no major news or results coming out very soon, as such events trigger big movement in the underlying. Time decay is positive, but volatility is negative for the strategy because we are short in options. This should be a short term trade and should only be initiated on weekly or monthly options. The maximum risk is unlimited should the underlying move in a big way in either direction. The maximum reward is realized when the underlying expires at the strike price of the sold calls. There are two break even points, one at 19,400 and the other at 21,600. Some calculations. Break-even point 1 can be calculated as follows. Purchase price of the future contract minus call premium multiplied by 2, which comes to about 19,400. Break-even point 2 can be calculated as follows. Purchase price of the future contract plus call premium multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by purchase price of the future contract minus strike price of the sold call, which comes to about 21,600. The maximum risk is unlimited, while the maximum reward is about rupees 21,980. Let's take a look at the risk graph. From the risk graph of the short call synthetic straddle position, it is clear that Mr. Manigandan can realize a maximum profit of rupees 21,980 if Bank Nifty expires at 20,500, and that beyond the break-even points, he would have to face unlimited losses if no adjustments are made. Now let's look at the various scenarios and how to manage each of them. When the underlying stays inside the two break-even points, you could close the position in a profit. This is what we all want. When the underlying moves close to the upper break-even point, you could buy to close one of the sold calls, thereby just leaving a covered call structure in place. When the underlying moves close to the lower break-even point, you could buy to close both the sold calls for a profit and sell to open two calls at a lower break-even point. That is, you could roll down both the sold calls, thereby collecting more premium. The next question is by Mr. Pradeep. How to calculate Bank Nifty range over a month? To estimate the range of Bank Nifty, you could use the following formula. India VIX by square root of T percentage of last traded price of Bank Nifty, where T is 365 divided by number of days for which you wish to calculate the range. For example, if you wish to calculate it for a month, then T would be 365 by 30, which comes to about 12. And if you wish to calculate it for a week, then T would be 365 by 7, which comes to about 52. India VIX is at 30.82 and the last traded price of Bank Nifty is 20,654.55. So the monthly range of Bank Nifty could be calculated as follows. 30.82 by square root of 12 percentage of 2654.55. which comes to about 1838.25. So the range could be 2654.55 minus 1838.25 to 2654.55 plus 1838.25, which comes to about 18,816.3 to 22,492.8. Note that this is just an estimate. Nifty might not stay within the calculated range, but the probability of it staying within the calculated range is high. The next question is by Mr. Hitesh. In Iron Condor, if one of my sides is in danger, for example, call side, can I roll up that side and also roll up the put side too and come out in net profit or cost to cost? I recommend rolling the untested side, as when you do so, you usually close the spread on the untested side for a profit and then move it closer to the price of the underlying. You would collect additional premium by doing this, which would help reduce the initial risk. If you roll the tested side, you would usually do this by closing the spread for a loss. And although you would collect additional premium by opening a new spread, it may or may not help reduce the initial risk. The next question is by Mr. Kumar. What is the sequence of ordering in options to take advantage of the new margin rule? I want to place order for following Nifty options: 9700 PE buy, 9800 PE sell, 10200 CE sell, 10300 CE buy. I have only rupees 55k left in my trading account. Please suggest. Mr. Kumar, to take advantage of the new margin framework for futures and options trades, please leg into the trade by executing the long options first and then selling the short options. But this has to be done quickly, as a sudden movement in the underlying might result in unexpected losses. The new margin framework for F&O trades came into effect on June 1st, 2020. The setup you wish to place an order for is known as Iron Condor. Let's find out how much margin is required for this setup by going directly to the Zerodha margin calculator page. Go to google.com, type in Zerodha margin calculator. Click on the first result. Once on the website, scroll down and select NFO and then Options. Search for Nifty and select the most recent expiry, which is 25th June. Select puts in the options type drop down list. Enter the strike price, choose buy and click on add. Add all the strike prices in the same fashion. You can see that the total margin required for this trade is just rupees 37,034. We received a whopping margin benefit of rupees 2,01,557. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.